So even though I made a video talking about not getting the Fire TV blaster, I went ahead and got it anyway just to give it a shot. Just to see if it was going to work with my setup to power my stereo on and off. Now it did work to a certain degree, but it still didn't work the way I wanted to. So I'm going to tell you the reason why I'm sending mine back. Okay, so I went through the setup procedure of setting up the Fire TV blaster, and it set up fine. There was nothing wrong with the setup procedure. Everything went fine. The only thing I didn't like is the fact that it powers my receiver and the TV on at the same time. And that's not what I was looking for. I wanted to be able to just turn the TV on only and then turn the receiver on only. And if I want them both on, I would just tell her to turn them both on at the same time. But that's not how it works. If you turn one on, the other one comes on even if you don't want it. And I went through the setup trying to isolate certain things. Sometimes I was able to get it to work on just turning on the TV, but then it would turn the receiver on at another random time. And then there was times where the TV would come on, but the receiver didn't. And then when I said to turn the TV off, then the TV went off, but then the receiver comes on. It was just all kind of wacky stuff going on. So I'm not saying it doesn't work. It just didn't work for the setup that I wanted to, because I wanted her to be able to turn on my receiver when I want to just listen to music without having the TV on. And then when I want the TV on now, the TV are connected to the sound bar. So I don't need the receiver on because I'm not trying to listen to music at that time. I'm trying to watch a movie or something. Then for some strange reason, the Fire TV remote stopped working the way that it used to. So I was able to use it to power the TV on and off and then control the volume. Well, I don't know what was going on, but it wasn't controlling the volume. It wasn't controlling the TV properly. I mean, everything was just out of whack. Now, I did another video how I show you how I hooked up the Echo Show 5 to my receiver to power it on and off using the Logitech IR blaster, and that seems to be working fine. So if I need either one of those equipment to come on individually, I can do that, and I don't have to worry about both of them coming on at the same time. So if you're trying to do that separation like I wanted, then check out that video and I will explain in that video how you can make it possible. But if you don't mind all your stuff coming on at one time, because you might have that kind of setup where you want the receiver to come on along with the TV, because that's how your home theater is set up. Well, this is going to work perfect for you because it's going to take care of everything all at once. So like I said, I'm not trying to say that this doesn't work. It works based on your setup. For my setup, it's not going to work for me. So that's the reason why I'm sending this back. So would I recommend this as a buy or no buy? Well, it all depends, just like I just explained. Because like I said, the remote is going to switch over to the receiver. So that's where the volume control is going to be. It's not going to be from your soundbar or your TV anymore. And if all those boxes are checked for you, then this is a buy. If you like to be more in control like I do, then this is a not buy. So there you have it. I hope this video was able to help you understand what this thing can do and do not do. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comment section. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching it. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.